What's up, guys? Tonight we're going to talk about the upcoming winter storm for next Thursday. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you like the weather, please subscribe. It makes my day. Let's get into it. So, today we have had some decent trends, and we have gotten pretty, I wouldn't say major, but decent changes to this forecast, which is still being adjusted. So let's take a look at the 6 o'clock model runs. First is the GFS, and you see heavy snow moving into the Mid-Atlantic. It's not quite as widespread, but as the Euro. But what you see here is that it doesn't really go up the coast too much, and it tries to, but it's too far to see. The heavy snow doesn't really get into New England, the Northeast, and finally goes out to sea, and it's gone. What does the Euro say? Euro shows something pretty similar, but you see how much further south that is, the rain-snow line. I mean, you have snow and sleet all the way down into South Carolina, and this trend has been pretty significant, because if you take a look here at the, make it nice and easy for you to see. This is 4 runs ago. This is the overnight run. This is the 6Z run, 12Z, there. You can see from there how much further south that this has ticked, which if you want snow down there, that's good. If you want snow in the Northeast, maybe not so good. So let's finish out this run. Here we go. There's your storm. It comes up the East Coast. More widespread heavy snow than the GFS, and that heavy band pulls it right there in that frame. That is a 978 millibar low pressure system. That is almost blizzard conditions, if not blizzard conditions, for Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Virginia, the coastal areas. That may be blizzard conditions. This could be a blizzard. And then you see the same thing. It doesn't really go up the East Coast so much. Well, last night it was saying it was going up the East Coast, and now all 3 of the major models have shifted to it not going up the Northeast and traveling up a little bit up the coast and then going out to sea, and it mainly hits the Mid-Atlantic extremely hard. So let's take a look at these pockets of snow here, because the heaviest is different on the Euro and the GFS. So you see the heaviest right there. Let me change this. Is 24 inches, right in about that shading in Virginia. 24 inches, 2 feet. Let's go into Maryland, 16, Delaware, 14 to 16. So you see that I showed you earlier the Euro shifted south, and that is why the snow is much further south than, let's say, the GFS, which has the heaviest access to snow a little bit more northeast. You see the area that's got 24 inches on the Euro only get 9 on this one, and the place that got 10 gets 25. So this is the last details we're going to continue to find out throughout the next few days. In about 2 days, we'll know about what's going to happen exactly, but we pretty much know the track. The track's going to shift a little bit north and south, but we know where it's going to go. It's not going to go up the coast. It's not really going to go out to sea, a little bit in between. And we just got to figure out where the heaviest access of snow will be now. There's also an icing concern, and if you pull up the icing numbers, look at that area in North Carolina. You have big access over an inch of ice, which is insane and extremely unsafe traveling. If you were in any of those areas, you had to stay off the roads. It's extremely unsafe, and that would be devastating. So again, still trying to figure out where it's going to be, but let's take a look at the Canadian model and what this is saying. This is the 12Z run. It doesn't have an 18Z. So here's your storm. Kind of right there, and then it pops off right there overnight into the morning of Thursday. Then it goes up the coast. This model typically isn't correct, but it does have it going up the coast more and having more of an effect on New England and those areas. That's pretty much it, guys. I'll have a new update for you in the morning when the new information comes out. Please subscribe. Stay safe. See ya.